एडवर्टाइजिंग एज अ करियर. फ्रेंड्स, एडवर्टाइजिंग को हिंदी में कहते हैं विज्ञापन. And if you are one of those who's interested in watching TV ads, or for that matter, you love watching those social media advertisements which run on your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, or else you are good with the content and you have that power to make the consumer buy the product and services. You are also creative in nature. Friends, you are meant for advertising. When I talk about advertising, an individual needs to be good with idea generation, fabrication, designing, or for that matter, a well-versed knowledge with respect to digital platforms. And why only digital platforms? Why not be aware of those billboards and hoardings? So all this is a part of advertising. And anyone who wants to pursue advertising as a career needs to pursue a course called Bachelor's of Arts, specializing in advertising. One can also pursue a Bachelor's of Mass Communication with specialization in advertising and journalism. There is another degree available known as Advertising and Marketing Communication, and one can pursue a diploma and certification programs like Advertising and Public Relations. Advertising offers you multiple career opportunities. Opportunities like Promotion and Marketing Manager, or for that matter, an Advertising Sales Professional, a Market Research Analyst, a Copywriter, Media Planner, Digital Marketing Expert. An individual can also work as a brand manager and a creative head in any organization. Friends, advertising is not just restricted to newspapers or hoardings. One can see himself or herself working as a specialist in the field of television advertisements, radios, online platforms, or a mobile application marketer. And anyone who's looking at advertising at an undergraduate level should definitely look at these colleges and institutions. Institutions like Symbiosis Center of Media and Communication, Heritage Institute of Management and Communication, Xavier's Institute of Communication, University of Mumbai, or for that matter pursuing a course in Delhi University, colleges like BCAC and JMC. Colleges like DCAC, which is commonly known as Delhi College of Arts and Commerce, will offer you a course called BA in Advertising and Sales Promotion Management. So those were opportunities as far as advertising at undergraduate level is concerned. And if you want to know more about advertising, you want to know about the college admissions, procedures, merit-based, entrance-based, please feel free to get in touch with us. We'll be more than happy to help you. This is Anubhav signing off from Career Library. Thank you.